Everyone needs to stop doing what they're doing right now and look at this cute thing I made. Look at it. Focus, 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 focus. Ah! It's Leo season. Hi everyone, it's Ashley, and don't be fooled by this necklace. I am still in my pajamas. As your favorite world-renowned Instagram artist, YouTuber, and recently now TikToker, I felt like I owed it to the people to do some studio vlogs. In all seriousness, over this quarantine summer, what has been very inspiring for me and just like really entertaining for me to watch is artists on YouTube posting studio vlogs, talking about their Etsy shop and just what their overall day-to-day life is, because majority of them are freelance, and that's something I'm looking into after I graduate. And also, since the world's kind of crazy, I think it would be really cool to just document my last year of art school, because I know there are moments in my life that I wish I had documented in some type of way, whether it's for an audience or just for myself. For my studio vlogs, I hope to record some random content, new things that I do, whether it be making my own merch, starting my own Etsy shop, or just random doodles. Also, I'll be starting art school online, so I feel like that would be also interesting for people to see. And yeah, I hope you guys come on this journey with me. I don't know what that was. I'm very sorry. I don't know. Do I come back in? I don't know how I'm going to edit this vlog. Okay, that's enough. I have a dilemma. I submitted something for a poster contest, didn't win, that's fine. I did my submission in maybe like an hour-ish, so it wasn't even a completely finished thing, it was just an idea. Anyways, besides the point. As a finalist for the poster contest, you are invited to do a drawing demo over Zoom for like a school diversity Comic-Con event type thing. Now this seems like a good idea, it seems fun and cool, but drawing live from the model with other people watching you over Zoom and then trying to do a demo talking about your process when you're not really sure if you have a process or not is a bit intimidating. So as I reply to this email, I think we're gonna have to bite the bullet. We're just gonna do it. I know I could ask more questions about the process and what actually happens. I'm not a weenie. We'll see how that goes. Am I the only one who has to say what they're typing out loud and or hum it?
Start your computations. I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
We all city over here, you know? You don't know these streets like we do.
I just put on this outfit to film this little modeling fun part. And now I'm just gonna go back in my PJs, probably draw scenes from the new BTS song, and watch TikToks. If you made it this far into my studio vlog, thank you for watching. Comment down below any crafts or things you would want to see me try or do. I also, since I have a new printer, I can do some stickers. Maybe. I'm just gonna do nothing because quarantine has ruined my life. Also, I'm thinking about a tennis skirt. Is 21 too old for a tennis skirt? Please comment down below. That's enough. Goodbye, guys. Thank you.